Lisa, look. Talk to the camera.
Very good, honey. Now I'm done.
Did you have a good night?
Mhm.
Did you party hard?
Mhm.
Can you tell the camera hi so we can really recognize your face?
Right. It was like a $3 hookup. And you can watch my face.
Let's go to IHOP.
We should go to IHOP.
It's not worked out.
No, we still got 20 minutes till it's 4. No, 12.
Joyce. So, I have a question. Why do you like sucking dick?
Do you like it better on top or bottom? I like being on top.
I like being on my side or upside down.
Let me stop it.
Yeah, go ahead, stop.
I'm putting it on my face, Lisa.